Alright, we got this Baxi Luna. We've been coming here for a couple of years already to clean the combustion chamber and flush out the heat exchanger. For many years, this valve on the domestic cold water side, this boiler drain, after this 1/2-inch ball valve, and this ball valve before the domestic hot water outlet and ball valve. This boiler drain didn't exist. This boiler drain didn't exist, so you can never flush out or decalcify the heat exchanger. So we've added those valves a few years ago, and by closing this boiler supply valve, see, cold water coming in, goes up to there, and there's the drain or flush valve that we essentially created. On the opposite side, domestic hot water. Again, that's for the washing machine. Washing machine. Hot water there. I removed the front cover by taking out that screw and loosening that screw. Removing the front cover, careful if this is still connected to the front control module. Remove the 2 screws there and 2 here, which exposes the combustion chamber of this Baxi. And what I want to show you guys is that the green on the water tube heat exchanger. So we are starting to have water where it shouldn't be. Take a look at the top view. There you go. Probably originating right there. We have some corrosion, oxidization on there. The rest of the heat exchanger looks fine, except for over there. No evidence of any kind of cross-contamination. Top looks pretty tight as well. The motor for exhaust, transformer, a little discolored, but let's see what's going on over there. All right, so, yep. Let's take a peek inside. All right. Looks like some nice corrosion on the domestic hot water outlet side of the 3-way valve there. There as well. Oof, wow. Top of the automatic air valve on top of the internal Grundfos circulator. Our flame rods are pretty clean, but we'll take a little wire brush and clean them down. As expected, starting to turn black during the descaling process. Looks like we have 2 zones here. Zone valves, circulator relay, there's the circ. There's a lot going on in here. A lot going on in here. Oof. Nice and clean.